Hi everyone, this is Ariel and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Let's do some practice together and I just want you to follow along as I call things out. It's okay if you're a little delayed, but I want you to give this a try because this is really how I teach people to be fluid and graceful, is a lot of follow-alongs. So we're going to be working our left side. It's really important to be balanced. So here we go. I'm starting with a nice simple walk. Always starting with a nice walk, gliding around the pole, dragging those feet across the floor. Working that outside arm, I just like to pretend that I am super fancy. Then going into a shuffle step. The inside leg steps forward, the second leg comes in to replace. Don't trip on the stage, keep going. And then we're gonna do a pirouette, reach around, dip, and then I'm going back, side, front. Pirouette, reach around, dip, back, side, front. Pirouette, so I'm staying all the way on that left side. Reach around, dip, back, side, front. I actually have a little tutorial of the pas de bourrée, the back, side, front that I'm doing. That's in the subscription. Now we're getting ready to do some sits, lovely arms, just getting myself psyched up, and then go ahead and take a walk all the way through your pirouette. Step down, reach across, and then we're doing a big spinning sit, keeping that top hand high, separating the legs and just holding a nice pose. Then I'm going to grab, slide the top hand down and hold a second pose. I haven't really moved my legs. Then I'm going to come around, arm comes up, and slowly spiral the legs out. Okay, you might want to watch this first and then follow along. But this is me just practicing, and I'm also keeping the music in the background just faintly so you can see that I'm actually keeping time as well with my spins. But watch first and then come back and follow along with me. So here we go. We're getting ready for another walk into pirouette and spin. So take a walk. You can shuffle in there if you like as well. And then pirouette, trying to stay on my toe. Reach around, big rond de jambe with that leg, kick up. Right hand comes off. And I'm gonna bend that left knee and look over my shoulder. Beautiful. Then I'm coming into this I don't know what I would call this, but it's fun. Reaching down and around. Arm up. That right arm is moving. And then slowly spiral to your exit. All right, here we go again. More walks into pirouette sits. So take a walk, pirouette. Step down, big rond de jambe with that right leg, kick up. Now I'm dropping the hand, going to a traditional layout. Then I'm bending the back leg, letting my chest come forward as I reach around the pole. Right arm comes up to slowly spiral out, and then a little hair whip because I had to. All right, I think this is the last one. Go ahead and walk or shuffle step through your pirouette. Big rond de jambe, kick up. Going to my full layout. Holding. And then from here, I'm gonna lead with the chest as I bend the knees, wrap around. Arm goes up. Then slowly spiral your legs down to the floor. Slowly, hair whip. Nice. All right, that was a great left side practice. Thank you for joining me.